Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your camera view while you're playing a match. So let's get started by playing in a match. So what you need to do is tap this three stripe on your screen, and as you can see there are some options here. Tap this one, the camera with a number. This is camera number 1, and this is camera view number 2, and this is the number 3, number 4, and the last is number 5. So I personally like the number 5 because it looks like in on the TV a dynamic white. So please free to try what camera you want, what camera that's make you comfortable playing this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.